So the first thing I have in here is the, I like to call the newspaper flyer, Ipsy Glam Bag. And yeah, being curated by Khloe Kardashian. Okay. Welcome to my world, love. I'm so excited to have you. Okay, so when you grow up with a mom and sisters as glam as mine, makeup and skincare are a part of your DNA, so I fill my Glam Bag X with all of my favorite things. Okay, so these are some of her favorite things. Okay, maybe we should just open this up and see like what some of these things are, and it gives you a little indicator here saying that these are her picks. So I'm gonna put on my reading glasses, my handy dandy reading glasses. So I'm just looking through the catalog here to see what I got, and this is a skincare product, 111 Skin, and this is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Let's see what's within. This is apparently Khloe's secret weapon for skin that looks lit from within. It contains rose water and niacinamide to brighten skin, hydrating hyaluronic acid to plump, that's good, and light reflecting gold to instantly illuminate your complexion. So let's see. So here we go. Let's see how it looks inside. And again, the amount that it is 20 ml, which is 0.68 fluid ounces. Okay, get ready to hold on to your socks. This retails for 135 US dollars. And I believe this is full size, $135. Okay, it has that. I always shake because you never know. And it's just, oh, okay. It looks like it has a bit of a rose tint to it in a way. It's supposed to provide a lit from within. So I'm just putting a little bit. It smells really nice. It definitely has a scent, so if you're not into any kind of scents, this is not for you. So I'm just, it goes on fairly liquid. Do I see a big difference in the shine? Oh, slightly maybe. $135, huh? This looks so fab. This is a direct quote supposedly why she loves it. The quote is, "This looks so fab on my bathroom counter and even better on my skin." Okay. It does smell nice though, but again, if you're not into any kind of scents, this may not be for you. The next thing I pulled out here, which I noticed the box maybe just opened on its own mysteriously. This is the Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Okay. So that's interesting that the box was kind of open a little bit. Don't know why. All right. So this is the little guy right here. So I gotta see how much this one costs. All right, it says so right here. This brightening eye serum disguises even the darkest under eyes. Ooh, good. Vitamins C and E plump skin, while a color correcting yellow tint inspired by banana powder instantly camouflages dark circles and redness. Ooh. And her direct quote on why she loves it, quote, "This eye cream helps me look well rested even after a 5 a.m. workout." So the amount for this is $39 US. That's not too bad, $39. I'm assuming this is full size. This reads 15 ml. Yeah, which equals to 0.5 fluid ounces. Fluid. So is this fluid or? Oh, this is like a cream. Yeah, this is definitely a cream. Very creamy. I want to make sure I put everything in there. I don't want to. It has a scent to it. So again, if you're not into scents, this may not be for you. Very thick. Ooh. Oh yeah. Does this have C in it? Yes, vitamin C. That's what I smell. The vitamin C. So I'm just putting this here. And like I said, the smell is very nice. It's kind of citrusy. Okay, and that's it. Definitely, I love anything that's creamy, moisturizing, good for the skin. Eye cream, I'm starting to get into eye cream a little bit, so this will be good. But I would suggest, because there's vitamin C, you notice it's in a smoky glass, to try to keep it out of any kind of light source and try to keep it on the cool, dry side. The next little thing I just pulled out of the box is from RMS Beauty, and this is their Lip to Cheek in Demure. And this retails for $36 US. And I believe this may be full size. So her direct quote on why she loves it at, "This looks just as good applied with a beauty sponge, plus it saves my long nails." Okay. And it looks like it may have been looked at. I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe in the process of them, you know, compiling the boxes, they may take a peek to see what's in there, just in case, to make sure, like a spot check. But yeah, I just, okay, so this is the RMS Beauty. Looks like it has a bit of a smoke glass. It doesn't look that really big. And that's a pretty color. I don't think it's been messed with, so yeah, it doesn't look like it's been messed with, as I can tell. Oh, it's very creamy. Oh, look at that. Put a little pink there. So this is lip to cheek. So you can apply it to the lips or to the cheek. But I would use something, because this could easily get compromised. There's no sense to it, but there's it tastes like crayon a little bit when you taste it. Have you ever like licked or eaten a little bit of the wax? It's definitely a wax sensation. And this goes for $36 US. Yeah, I would use some sort of instrument, that like a brush or something, unless you're just going to use it for yourself, and that's all good. But then again, when you're dipping into it, you want to make sure you have clean instruments or a clean hand. I'm just gonna, I mean, that would be perfect, like to throw in your bag for, you know, the spring or the summer. You know, just to put a little color on you without going too crazy. So this is an oldie but goodie. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. This runs for $45. I never got this palette before, simply because it seems, you know, 4 or 5 years ago, everybody had this palette. This is the Olaplex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment number 0, because I think this goes by numbers. And this primes, repairs, strengthens, and protects all hair types. This is the take-home formula, because apparently this is based on the professional line that they have. Okay, so apply number 0 to dry hair, saturate from root to tip, leave on hair for 10 minutes, do not rinse. Apply a generous amount of number 3 hair perfector to saturated hair, leave on for 10 minutes, and then you finally rinse. Then there's a shampoo and condition as usual with the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. So the first ingredient on here is water, which is interesting. This is Kopari's CBD Recovery Balm. I have no idea it just sounded interesting, recovery balm, and then it's CBD. So I'm like, okay, let's try that. It's supposed to soothe and recover. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and phthalate-free. And I have a 2.5 fluid ounce, 75 ml, and it says 250 mg CBD. So it's supposed to calm, cool. Have you guys tried Kopari at all? I've tried a couple of their things. They have a lip balm. It's really nice. What I liked especially is their the coconut rose toner. Beautiful. So I am interested in seeing how this is going to work. I will post some more information here along with the ingredients. The thing I got in here is from MAC, and this is the Love Me lipstick. I'm so excited. I love MAC. Oh my goodness. Let's see what they have in here. Oh, their infamous bullets. Right there. Love that color. Is that color gorgeous or what? So it says here for it, it's Love Me lipstick in bated breath. Ooh, I'm already, it's $21 US. The perfect pinky nude starts with this lipstick. One swipe treats your palate to a dose of moisture thanks to argan oil and coats lips in weightless, long-lasting pigments in a soft satin finish. The quote that they attribute to her and why she loves it, it's, quote, I like to tap it on for a light wash of color. You don't even need a mirror. Okay, look how gorgeous that color is. You don't think from looking at it that it would be a light wash. It looks like almost a wine color. It's gorgeous. But let's see. Oh, it has that lovely candy smell. Goes on, it glides like a dream. It's creamy. And finally, last but certainly not least, oh, I think this is one of the choices too. And I got to choose for a makeup compartment bag. Is that cute or what? It has the Ipsy logo in there. And on the zipper, you see that? I'm surprised I didn't see any products from the family line, to be honest, like skincare and the like. I'm a little shocked about that. I guess they didn't want to like overtake the whole thing, just attach your name. So I'm gonna give this a B plus, simply because the Olaplex was something I chose, the Kopari is something that I chose, that I would be interested in. The 111 Skin, it sounds interesting, but it sounds more like an add-on to the skin of things you've already done. It sounds like more of a cosmetics option versus an actual skincare option. So I'm a little on the fence on that. The Olay Henriksen, I'm definitely going to try out because I don't have anything from them for the eyes. So that I definitely will use. And yeah, like I said, overall, I think I'm gonna give it a B plus, a B to B plus. Nice effort, understated, and that's how I'm gonna leave it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you order from the curated box from Ipsy? Let me know in the comments below if it's something that you're interested in, or are you more interested in just dealing with the add-ons aspect of Ipsy, which is incredible, by the way. I think I have one of the best add-on features I've ever seen from a subscription plan. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. If you haven't already, hit that like button, and again, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest unboxing of Ipsy Glam Bag X. I'm looking forward to the next one. I hope that one kicks it up a further notch. Talk to you, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye.